Hey, welcome guys. I've been doing an unboxing of the Simplehuman liquid soap motion dispenser. So, meaning to get this for a while. I just bit the bullet and finally got it. So I'm hoping that it's a pretty useful product. I just want to have some, technology in the bathroom. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but as a fan of smart home products, I know motion sensor isn't really considered smart, but it's still a piece of technology that can, be pretty cool to have in the bathroom or washroom. Okay, so there's the box. The original box was just a shipping box they had sent it in from them because I purchased it directly through Simplehuman. The box is pretty simple. It has some details about what the function of the soap dispenser is in terms of it's being water resistant. It's motion sensor, of course. There's some stuff like that. Included is some pamphlets. Let's see. So you have a 2-year warranty, which is great. You just got to register the product. And it looks like if I refer a friend, then I get a discount, which, hey, whatever, that's cool. And this is instructions, which, that's it. It's just really simple. It's just a motion soap dispenser, so can't be that much detail, right? And looks to be the first packet of liquid soap that they do include, which is great. And I'm aware that you can buy refills. Actually, here you go. You can buy refills from Simplehuman directly, although it's a tad bit expensive. So in terms of using third-party soap, which is much cheaper, I'll go into that details in the review. A link to that will be in the video description. So here's a charging cord, because it does run on batteries. Thankfully, you don't have to keep this plugged in 24/7. It does have batteries built in, so you can charge it with that cord. Let's see if we can get to the actual product now. And that's pretty much it. The size is not too bad. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I know they have some video demonstrations on the Simplehuman website, but I'm glad to see that it is smaller than anticipated. Looks like it has a meter showing you kind of how much soap you can get, a little bit or a lot. Just popping it open from the top. That was really easy to refill the soap. Thought it'd be a lot tougher than that, but that's pretty easy. There's some writing there detailing that you can get more refills from Simplehuman if you want to. Serial number at the bottom, power button at the back, charging port at the back, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video, be sure to hit that like button, check out my social links in the video description, subscribe, and thanks for watching.